Hi, my name is Marisha Winkels and welcome to my training, Deep Learning. Deep learning has been responsible for a huge part of the technological advances in artificial intelligence. Do you want to know how you can use deep learning to your advantage and apply it to your own data problems? Then this is the training for you.
In 3 days, we'll hand you the tools to create your own deep learning models. You'll learn about the history and what makes deep learning so powerful. You'll learn how to determine the right network architecture for your problem and choose the appropriate training scheme to create highly performing models. And we'll cover the best structure and way of working for creating your neural network, including more advanced topics within the Keras API.
The training is for machine learning specialists who want to get a grip on the most popular machine learning technique and want to get to know the best practice for starting with deep learning.
In this training, we will use a variety of handy tools that make learning and communicating remotely feel natural, enjoyable, and effective, like our digital learning platform, Instruct. You can start learning immediately.
Are you ready to leverage the power of deep learning? Come and join me for the deep learning training.